Okay guys, Rylski here again. I'm going to continue doing some power striking. Okay, from right here, I'm going to set up with some elbows. Okay, so from right here, I step over forward. Okay, from right here, I just turn around, okay, elbow to the face this way, then quickly elbow to the face over this way. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to come down, and I'm going to cut right through. I like to kind of keep my hands open a lot of times when I'm throwing elbows in case I want to grab after this. So I cut down right through. Okay, then I come right back up the person's face, and I slide right back in. Okay, hit to the face, throat, okay, chest, whatever I decide at the time. Right. So from right here, once again, okay, a little bit faster. Okay, I step in, okay, I elbow. From right over here, okay, I step in, I cut down, I come back up, and I come right back in with an elbow. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, so from right here, just. Okay, so there's a little routine of a couple different elbow strikes. Okay, cool, excellent. Now, from right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some knee strikes, okay? Now, I'm not going to come right up and kind of do have a knee like that. Okay, I'm going to extend and pivot my hips out a little bit. I'm going to point my knee. I'm going to use the top of my knee kind of as a dagger, like it's going straight in. I'm going to take my foot, I'm going to do the best I can to kind of put it up to all the way to the back of my leg. So all it's really being doing is I'm exposing that knee, and I'm not hitting with my quad or anything like that, or my shin. Okay, so from right here, I kind of just come right in with that back knee strike, the power leg, and goes. See how I lean back a little bit so the leg comes up a little higher, different vertical. Ready? Okay, you want more power? Sometimes you can swing your leg down to kind of harness the rest of the power from the side of the body. Okay, good. That's a little bit of a knee strike there. Now from right here, I'm going to throw a teep kick. Okay, teep kick's like a front kick and a push kick kind of put together. So it's got the power, it's got the snap. Okay, teep kick's a real good kick if you want to use to either push somebody away, okay, or drop them on the ground. Strong kick. Okay, from right here, I protect my face, my arm swings down for the extra power. I come right in and lean back and okay, it's also a kick where I like a lot because I'm farther away from my opponent. Once again, I'm bringing this one a little slower. So right here, I come right in, I come back, I kick. I bring it back and I retract it back down again. Okay, one more time. Good. Okay, now from right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a T kick, and then after I hit the person, they kind of back up a little bit from me hitting them, so let me back up myself. Okay, and then I'm going to hunt them down. Okay, hit them with my left T kick. From right here, okay, I come in, T kick, bring it back. Okay, after I hit them, from right here, I walk forward, one, and then all I do is I extend this left foot out, okay, and I T kick, kiss the other side. Good, so it kind of looks like this. Good, so now that's kind of going forward. Now if I want to come around to the side of the body, what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to step out. I'm going to kind of throw my leg. It's not going to be your traditional like snap kick like I would a roundhouse kick from like Taekwondo or Tang Sudo. I'm just going to kind of throw that leg out from right here. Okay, so from right here, come in with that round Thai kick. All I do is I kind of step right out. Once again, watch how my body sways. It's a little bit different. Still protecting myself, but I'm also swaying my body and I'm using more of my power and more actually of my body. Okay, from right here, I step out and I come right in. You lose a little bit of control, but you definitely get a lot more power from this kick, okay, compared to your normal roundhouse kick. Good. Now, sometimes when you do this kick, you kick so hard you actually over-rotate. So as I spin around to protect myself, I'm going to come around and kind of check the leg. If somebody is kind of coming around with another low line kick, towards me. So slow, I'm going to come right in. Okay, I'm going to kick, stop right here, and I bring my other leg up. And as I bring it around, I hit my shin. And not only do I stop the kick, I use this shin actually to hit the person. Okay, so I hit the person's leg. So I stop it dead when I check it. Okay, and it's hitting right against my shin. So from right here, slow again. Okay, I step out. Boom, I keep that rotation going. Right here, I bring that leg up and I hit that other person's leg that's coming in for that low line. One more time, slow. Come right in. Okay, around. Okay, kind of normal speed. Good, excellent. All right, guys, those are a little more power striking, a little more devastating strikes. Okay, those are used if you really feel that you're in danger and you feel like your back's against the wall and you want to pull out something a little stronger. I mean, elbows, things along those lines are real nasty. It'll cut the person, it'll hurt the person. And you can set it up for, throws, takedowns, get away, whatever you need. But those are some of the really good power kicks you're going to use. Okay, and need, along with your elbow strikes. Okay, real good stuff, everybody. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel. All right, guys, and I'll continue to make these videos and send them out. And hopefully you guys are enjoying them. And remember, always got to progress. Chill. King